choosing the right flooring can be hard. One person tells you LVP is the best. Another person will tell you laminate is better. Then there's always going to be the hardwood guy who says that's the best. It's overwhelming, but what one should you actually choose based on your needs? Today, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about. My name is Jordan from Marco Flooring, and I'm not going to waste any of your time. Today, we're going to be talking about all the different types of flooring, the pros, the cons, the good, the bad, so that you can decide confidently the right flooring for your living situation. First up, let's talk about LVP. LVP stands for Luxury Vinyl Plank. It's a popular choice for commercial and residential spaces. It, of course, mimics hardwood planks, but LVP consists of multiple layers. On top is a durable wear layer. The next layer is of course a layer that represents a wood grain. This gives LVP its beautiful look. Then the core layer for stability and comfort, and often a backing underneath that, which is how LVP is waterproof. So what are the pros of LVP flooring? First, affordability. LVP gives the look of hardwood without the hardwood prices. Durability. It's actually very durable. It's scratch resistant, dent resistant, waterproof, making it great for high traffic areas or even bathrooms, places with moisture. LVP is also super easy to maintain. Just a neutral pH cleaner and a mop is really all you need to keep up with these floors. And lastly, it's super DIY friendly. You could honestly install LVP all by yourself just by watching a couple YouTube videos. So now you know what LVP is and the pros of LVP, but what are the cons? Despite its advantages, LVP has a couple of drawbacks. Number one, you're not going to get a huge return on your investment if you put it into a home that you're looking to sell right away. Generally, hardwood is a flooring that you're going to want to choose for resale value, not LVP or even laminate. It also may be more susceptible to damage from heavy objects and furniture that may leave dents or scratches in the floor. And some people will say another con is that it doesn't look real. And that really depends on the type of LVP, the brand, and the color that you choose. So if you want to count that as a con, go ahead, but I'm really not going to count that as a con. Overall, LVP is a cost-effective and practical choice for those seeking the aesthetics of hardwood without all the maintenance and cost associated with that. Now, let's talk about laminate. Laminate flooring is a popular choice amongst homeowners and businesses who are seeking a stylish yet affordable alternative to hardwood and luxury vinyl plank. But what are the pros of laminate? Why would you choose laminate over LVP? Well, this is why. For starters, affordability. You can get this stuff for less than $1 a square foot. Next, durability. Laminate is actually extremely defensive against scratches, making it a great choice for people with pets and kids. Lastly, let's talk about laminate's moisture resistance. While it's not waterproof like luxury vinyl plank, laminate is water resistant, meaning a spill is going to be less of a big deal than, say, on a hardwood floor. Not to be confused with waterproof, but it is water resistant. Laminate also has its cons. Number one, it can be prone to warping and swelling. This, of course, being caused by excessive moisture. Again, water resistant, not waterproof. So if you're choosing flooring for a bathroom or washroom, laminate is probably not going to be a great choice. Overall, laminate is a great option. It's practical, cost-effective, durable, and extremely versatile. So now that we've talked about luxury vinyl plank and laminate, let's talk about hardwood. Hardwood flooring is of course a timeless and classic choice. If you're looking for charm, durability, and something that will increase the value of your home, hardwood may not be a bad option for you. Hardwood can be made of solid wood planks or multiple different layers of wood, which is engineered hardwood essentially. But who cares? Let's talk about the pros of hardwood flooring. Number one, it's timeless beauty. Hardwood flooring exudes warmth and beauty. Unfortunately, you just can't beat the real thing. It looks beautiful and creates an elegant vibe in your living space. It's also very durable. Hardwood can last generations if cared for properly. Another thing is the fact that it increases your home value like we talked about. If and when you go to sell your home, if it has hardwood floors, you're simply going to get more money for it. Lastly, it's environmental friendly. Hardwood floors can be recycled and repurposed, and that makes them a pretty eco-friendly choice if that's something that you care about. But of course, now it's time to talk about the cons. Hardwood is so expensive. Not even gonna lie, it's just flat out expensive. It's also not very great with water. Hardwood can warp badly if water gets in and sits for a while. But in summary, if you're someone who wants to increase the value of your home and you want elegance and something that's going to last last generations if cared for properly, and you don't mind spending the money and you don't mind the fact that it's not really the best with water, then hardwood's a great choice for you. One thing that's really important for all of these floors is that you get them at wholesale price. On our website, arcoflooring.com, linked below, you can get the lowest priced floors shipped directly to your home or project. And yes, they are wholesale priced. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful to you in some way. This has been Jordan from Arco Flooring, and I'll see you in the next one.